Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Planner for team task collaboration, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Planner website. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Once you are on the Planner homepage, locate the New Plan button on the top left of the screen. Click on New Plan to create a fresh plan for your team. In the dialog that appears, give your plan a descriptive name. Choose whether you want the plan to be public or private. After selecting the privacy setting, click on Create Plan. Now, you will see a blank plan interface with sections for tasks and buckets. To organize your tasks, click on Add New Bucket and name your first bucket. Continue adding buckets as necessary to categorize your tasks effectively. Next, click on Add Task to start creating tasks for your team. In the Task Creation window, enter a title for the task and set a due date if applicable. Assign the task to a team member by clicking on the Assign field and selecting their name. Add any additional details in the task description box to clarify expectations. You can also attach files or links relevant to the task if needed. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click Add Task to save it. Repeat this process to add more tasks and assign them to your team members. To monitor progress, you can drag tasks between buckets to indicate their status. Encourage your team to update the status of their tasks regularly. Utilize the Charts view to get a visual overview of your team's progress. You can also explore the Schedule view to see tasks plotted on a calendar. As your project evolves, periodically review your plan to make adjustments as needed. Collaborate with your team using the comments section on each task for communication. This setup will facilitate smooth collaboration and keep everyone aligned on team tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.